Hi friends, I hope and I believe you enjoyed the Olympiad Mathematics class, and then today we shall continue with the last exercise. The question says if x raised to power x equals 1 over 32 root of 2, find x. So we have to find the value of x. So we simplify the right side of the question first. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 over 2 raised to power 1 over 32, because 32 root of 2 is the same thing as 1 over 2 raised to power 1 over 32. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 over 2 raised to power 1 over 32. So what we do next is we are going to simplify further the right side of the question. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 over 2 or raised to power 1 over 32, because 1 over 1 raised to power 1 over 32 will still give us 1. That's the 1 as the upper denominator, the upper numerator rather, the upper numerator. Then the 2 raised to power 1 over 32 will be the denominator that we had before. So we now have x raised to power x equals 1 over 2 all raised to power 1 over 32. Then we have, since 2 over 2 or 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and then if we use the 1 now to multiply 1 over 32, we still get 1 over 32. So we are going to plug in 2 over 2, which is 1, to multiply the power at the right side, the 1 over 32. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 over 2 all raised to power 2 over 2 times 1 over 32. So there we still have 1 over 32, since 2 over 2 is 1. So we are plugging in 2 over 2 there for us to be able to simplify the question and get the correct answer. Now, since 2 over 2 can also be written as 2 times 1 over 2. 2 over 2 is the same thing as 2 times 1 over 2. We are going to give the 2 as square to 1 over 2. Then we'll give the 1 over 2 to multiply the power 1 over 32. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 over 2 all square, then raised to power 1 over 2 times 1 over 32. So we can simplify the square on 1 over 2 at the right side further by giving the square to both 1, the numerator, and the square to the denominator 2. So we now have x raised to power x equals 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 over 4 all raised to power 1 over 64. That is 1 times 1 is 1 and 2 times 32 is 64. Now since we have 2 over 2 as 1 like we did the other time, and the 1 times 1 over 64 will still give us 64, so we plug it in again just like we did the other time. We have x raised to power x equals 1 over 4 all raised to power 2 over 2 times 1 over 64. So now we did exactly like the other time. You see, have since 2 times 1 over 2 is the same thing as 2 over 2, we give the 2 to 1 over 4 as square, and then we give the 1 over 2 to multiply the power 1 over 64. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 over 4 all squared, then raised to power 1 over 2 times 1 over 64. So if we simplify the left side, we have 1 square over 4 square. We give the square to both the numerator and denominator. Then all raised to power 1 over 2 times 1 over 64. So what we have there is x raised to power x equals 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16, and the 1 times 1 over 2 times 64 is 1 over 28. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 over 16 all raised to power 1 over 28. Likewise, the way we did the other time, since we have 2 over 2 as 1, or 2 divided by 2 as 1, and 1 times 1 over 28 is still the same thing as 1 over 128. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 over 16. We plug in the 2 over 2 now to multiply 1 over 128. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 over 16 all raised to power 2 over 2 times 128 times 1 over 128 rather. So likewise, we simplify 2 over 2 to 2 times 1 over 2. They are still the same. So we give the 2 to a square to 1 over 16, and then 1 over 2 to multiply the power 1 over 128. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 over 16 all squared raised to power 1 over 2 times 1 over 128. So we simplify the square on 1 over 16 to give the square to both the numerator and denominator. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 square over 16 squared, all raised to power 1 over 2 times 1 over 128. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 square is 1, 16 square is 256. So 1 over 256 all raised to power 1 over 256. The other side is 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 128 is 256. So we have x raised to power x equals 1 over 256 all raised to power 1 over 256. So since we have the base and the powers the same at both sides, on both sides we can just equate the base. So we have x equals 1 over 256, and that's the value of our x. That's the final answer. So for our next exercise, we are going to find the value of x when x raised to power x squared is equal to 3 root 3. Thank you. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, to click the notification and subscription and the like button, and to share the videos with your friends.